Hey, so in this video, we're going to go over how to reassign a number of leads or contacts over to a different user in bulk. So typically this may happen when you have a staff member quit or they're let go and you need to reassign all of their leads to a new staff member or to another existing staff member. So first things first, what we're going to need to do is hop over to automation and campaigns. So first we're going to have to create a campaign, and this is just going to be a blank dummy campaign, but this is basically where we're going to reassign all of those leads or contacts or opportunities over to the new user. So once you're in campaigns, hop over to create campaign. You could name this whatever you'd like. Assign to new user. That's what I'm going to name it for now. We're going to hit save. Once that's done, you could just add an event. Really, the only event you need to add here is just a delay. So this is the wait event. You could click that and you could do just wait 0.1 minutes. You could have that all days of the week. So if you're doing this on a weekend, it's still running. You hit save. And you want to go to campaign configuration. You want to select the new user that you want to assign the leads to. So in this case, they were assigned to Adil, but we're going to assign them over to demo user. So let's click demo user here. And we want to make sure that we hit save at the bottom. So once that's done, you could activate this campaign from draft to published mode. You could back out of there. And the next step is to go to the contacts view. So once you're in contacts, make sure you're in smart lists. We're going to go to more filters on the right hand side and we're going to add a filter here. So in this case, what we want to do is bring up all the contacts, leads, and opportunities that are already assigned to the current user that is leaving or that is not going to be in the company anymore. So in this case, we're going to look at all leads assigned to a Adil demo. We're going to select all. And if you have more than 20 leads assigned to that user, you'll see a message here that says you have selected 20 records. Click here to select all. You'll want to click that other button so you're selecting every single contact, not just the ones visible on this page. But once that's done, what you want to do is add them to campaign/workflow. So once they're all selected, click add to campaign. You're going to see a message here notifying you that this will happen over a period of time just to prevent spam issues. So we'll click OK, proceed. We're going to select the campaign. So in this instance, I had named the campaign assigned to new user. And in this case, we can go all at once because there's no actual emails or SMS messages or anything happening. It's just a delay step that we added in there. So here we're going to add a description for the actual action that we're doing today. This is just for later. So later on, you could see what this event was for in your report. So here we're going to name it reassigned leads from Adil to demo. We're going to click add to campaign, and that is it. We can click OK here. And if you ever want to look at the status of that action, you can go to bulk actions here and you could see reassign leads from Adil to demo, bulk campaign, processing started at this date and time. And you can always view the stats and either pause or cancel that action as well. So in this case, if we click view details, it'll say, what the progress is, how much time has elapsed, etc. So if we click show stats, it actually shows us the total number of actions here that need to happen, how many were successful and how many through an error. Now, if you want to look at the successful ones, you can click on that. It'll show you a list of the records, and the same for error. You can just click there. It'll show you a list of the records that threw an error. And a couple other things too, you can always adjust the date filter so you can look at previous actions that you've done as far back as you need to. And that is it, guys. So all you need to do really is create an empty campaign with the delay step. Go to your contacts, smart lists, choose the filter. So in this case, we're going to look at assigned to, and you're going to select the user that the contacts are currently assigned to, and then you're going to select all of them and add them to the new campaign where they're going to be reassigned to the new user. So that is it. If you have any questions, just reach out to our support team or feel free to use the help widget at the bottom right of your screen here.